So if you want to go ahead and get that free Bitcoin bonus worth up to $200, the very first step is going to be using my affiliate link, which is ryanoscribner.com/Coinbase. All you have to do is type that into your computer if you're watching this on your phone, or you can click the top link in the description below. So I went ahead and typed that in on my phone, and then I'm going to go ahead and click on go, and this will bring us over to a screen here where you can see the bonus mentioned at the top, where you can get up to $200 for getting started with a new Coinbase account. Once you enter your email, you're going to have to provide your name as well as create a password, and this is going to create a Coinbase account for you. However, in a little bit here, we're going to have to supply more information, including your address as well as a video or photo of your ID, and that is because of the KYC or Know Your Customer laws. This is going to be a full-blown investment account, and they are required to report your profits to the IRS for you to pay taxes on. So you are going to be required to complete these steps regardless of what exchange you're using. So I'm going to go ahead and fill this out now with my personal information, and then we'll move on to the next steps. Now, since I already have a full-blown Coinbase account, I'm not able to show you the exact steps here of verifying your identity, but I did recently complete these steps for a Crypto.com account, and the steps are going to be very similar, where you have to enter your information exactly as it appears on your ID, and then you're going to take a picture of the front and back of your photo ID, and then it's going to have you take a video of your face, and it's using facial recognition technology to match you up with the identification that you provided. Once you complete those steps, what you're going to do is install the Coinbase app, which you will be prompted to during the sign up process, and then we're going to click on the sign in button at the top right, and you're going to want to use that same login that you created earlier on. Now at this point, I have to complete the two-factor authentication, which is definitely recommended. In fact, you have to set this up yourself as a required step, because with cryptocurrency exchanges, you have to be careful with people gaining unauthorized access, as they could send your crypto out to another wallet and you could have your assets stolen. So having two-factor authentication gives you that peace of mind. I'm going to go ahead and enter that code now before it resets, and this will finish our login. Now there are some recommended steps here for setting up a pass key if you want to do enhanced security. So I'm going to say not now for the time being, but if you are storing a lot of cryptos within your Coinbase account, this would be a recommended step. But for now, I'm going to hit not now, and it's going to bring us back into the Coinbase app.